Welcome to my visual tour. For more details on this property or to schedule an appointment to personally preview, be sure to contact a realtor today. Finally, a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage home that is ready to move right in with new roof and AC installed in 2022. Tile floors throughout with neutral colors. Interior laundry room with washer and dryer included. Open floor plan style with great room and breakfast nook. Back patio slab remains, but the screen and above ground pool and deck were removed, leaving dirt fill area in backyard. Currently features a no build area behind, so you can enjoy the tranquil quiet area, with plenty of room to add a pool or outbuilding. Come make this private secluded home site your new residence and update with your own style and colors, or fix and flip or rent out. Great income investment as a full-time rental or even as an Airbnb potential, with no Homeowners Association fees or deed restrictions, and with great tourist attractions all nearby like Buccaneer Bay and Weeki, Wachee Spring, home of the Mermaids, with river access for kayaking and tubing. Also within miles of Pine Island Beach and Hernando Beach with its famous tarpon fishing. Quick commute to Central Florida theme parks and #1 voted Clearwater Beach and Tampa International Airport. And don't forget to mention that the area has miles of bike trails, horseback riding and motocross, plus close to the Veterans Expressway for a quick commute to the Tampabay area, and lots of golfing options nearby, plus also closeby to US 19 and SR 50 shopping, restaurants and medical. Make this private secluded home site your new residence before it is gone.